The 1000 pip climber Forex system is a state-of-the-art algorithm, designed to make it as easy as possible to succeed at Forex. The Forex system continuously analyzes the FX market, looking for potentially high probability price movements. Once identified, the software will notify you visually, audibly, and via email. All key parameters are provided: entry price, take profit and stop loss. The Forex system is easy to set up and is designed to be followed 100% mechanically. Just try the Forex system and see the results. This Forex system really is the simplest way to follow the FX market. Exceptional performance. Consistently strong results, day in, day out. The signals produced by the 1000 pip climber Forex system aim to be highly accurate and produce consistent results. Over 3 years, the Forex system would have achieved almost 20,000 pips with minimal drawdown. The Forex system is perfect for short and long-term outlooks, because signals are produced on the 15-minute, 1-hour and 4-hour timeframes. The robot looks for potentially high probability price movements and can be used on 6 major currency pairs. If you're looking for trading systems that work, then start using the software now and you could take a step towards FX success. 100% rules-based. Follow with confidence, no more guesswork. The Forex algorithm we have developed is highly advanced and has been rigorously tested. The Forex system will provide you with clear and precise signals that are easy to follow. We use the system for our own Forex trading, and whenever a signal is produced we enter a trade. For us, there is zero guesswork involved and there is no uncertainty on when to trade. The robot does all the analytics for you and will give you clear entry, stop loss and take profit values. All you need to do is follow the Forex system. You remain fully in control of your trading account and can have the confidence in knowing you are following professional signals. Easy to follow, anywhere. Visual, audio and email notification. Easy to follow, anywhere. Visual, audio and email notification. Following the Forex system couldn't be easier. Once there is a signal, an alarm will sound and there will be a clear visual message on your screen detailing the direction, entry price, stop loss and take profit target. There is no need to sit at your PC all day, just wait for the alarm to sound and then see what the signal is. In fact, there is no need to be anywhere near your PC. If you desire, you can set the system on your Forex charts to instantly email all the signal details straight to you. MT4 push notifications are also possible. All signals are for pending orders, so there is no need to rush when following the system. Perfect for the beginner. Simple setup plus beginner's Forex trading PDF. Setting up the Forex system is easy. The system uses a Forex expert advisor that runs on MetaTrader MT4. Do not worry if you are unfamiliar with these terms, there is a video explaining everything step by step. We provide Forex systems that work so you can have confidence that you will get the system running easily. We will email all the information to you within 48 hours of purchase, and along with the Forex system you will also receive a free beginner's guide to trading with detailed instructions on how to follow the 1000 pip climber robot. Get the software now and finally enjoy stress-free Forex signals.